Okay, so in terms of the figures, let me just show you. You have your figure, no? So let me just copy it to our work document. Oh, I'll use this one. Okay, yeah, let me use this one. So when you wanna insert your figure, you click on it, and then you come to references, and then you say insert caption, and then choose figure, and then the figure thing goes down there. Then you tap your thing. You do the same for the table, and then the table caption come on top. And then once you are done with that, when you are talking about this figure in your section, this is what happens. You don't type out figure X. No, you don't do that. No. What you do is you come up here, you say cross-reference this figure 1. Then you say insert reference to only label and number. Then you say insert. You see, there it wrote everything for you. Then if you want to cross-reference a table, you just select here and you cross-reference the table. Maybe here. And then you only want the label and number. Then you say insert and there. How this works is that, for instance, okay, let me do it also for here so that I can show you. Okay, I won't be able to show you, but look, I can show you. Yeah, I can show you. This is figure 2. Yeah, this one is for figure 2. For some reason, you now need to change delete this figure. You delete it now. You no longer have it. No? You no longer have this figure. You're no longer talking about it. So all you do is come to where you see stays as figure 1, but you just come and then you first right click on the number on the caption, update that number, and then update this one in the text. Then it's updated that this is now figure 1 and you're talking to figure 1. You see? Good. The same applies for the table. And then once you have done that, you are able now to come up here and make your list of figures. So basically, to make your list of figures is you just come to the references and then you say insert table of figures, then insert table of figures, then say okay, yes, replace, then here you have your list of figures. You do the same for the table. So this one you type out. It's not like the table of content where it will do it for you. This one you type out, and then after you type it out, you come to home, and then you make it heading 1. Then remove the numbering. Then if you want, you can center it. Then you are sorted. So now when you come here and you say update field, entire table, your list of figures and tables also show up. You see? Good. That's the basics. Basically, I wanted to show you also on the figures side. So looking at a practical example, I think you've seen many reports, many journals. You don't need to see mine as well. But yeah, just use cross-referencing when you type out, when you wanna talk about that figure. Yeah? Short it.